Introducing our new generation 6-clamp Perfect Binder Diamond Series. It unleashes high productivity, superior efficiency, and cost-efficient with the ability to bind 2,500 books per hour. Equipped with an intelligent, built-in HMI system, it offers complete production data for seamless operations. The initial process begins at the feeding station, where the book blocks are fed directly into an open clamp. The clamp then closes as it travels along an oval-shaped path, ensuring the book spine stays aligned with the essential stations. The clamp, carrying the book block within, then travels to the milling station, where a special milling cutter slices the paper into strips, preparing the book block spine for gluing process. After milling, book blocks proceed to the gluing station. This station features a 3-gluing roller with a reverse spinner, incorporated with a calibrated head and tail cutoff mechanism. This guarantees no adhesive squeeze out on the book block spines. A separate side glue station is attached to apply a thin and even layer of adhesive along the edges of the book, enhancing the quality of the binding. The automatic cover feeder is equipped with adjustable and ornamental creasing attachments, ensuring precise cover pickup and feeding into the clamp. A new comb-based cover nipping station effortlessly binds books of varying thicknesses with precision. After the nipping process is complete, books are delivered through a chute delivery system. The HMI system offers settings for temperature control and machine speed adjustments, along with comprehensive production data, which can be pushed via pen drive or email as additional options. Step into a new era of high-quality bookbinding with our new 6-clamp Perfect Binder Diamond Series.